Hi guys, for our next exploration, we are going to take a look at keyframing. And so we're going to talk about what a keyframe is, but then we are also going to learn to use a keyframe. So a keyframe is a location on a timeline that talks about the beginning or end point in a transition, whether that transition is movement, color, size, whatever the case may be, you're going to have oftentimes a dot or a diamond that represents a keyframe. So the software that we're going to dive into a little bit, don't have a lot of experience with this. I spent kind of the morning kind of digging for some software. If we were all in the classroom, I would love to be able to use Adobe After Effects, but we don't have that benefit. So we're going to take a look at this Animatron, I guess that's how you pronounce this, Studio. I will put a link on Google Classroom for you. So I want to just kind of give you a little intro to it and see what we can do. And I want to show you how keyframes work in the software. So once you navigate to the page, you will need to go ahead and kind of sign up for it, and you can use that just through your school Google account, and you can then start creating. When you choose Start Creating, it's going to be in this light version. We want to switch over to the Expert mode. And then there are two modes, an Animate and a Design. We are going to work in the Animate. And our goal is just to kind of take a piece of text and move it up the screen and back down the screen. That sounds kind of silly and simple. My goal is for it to be simple here in the beginning, just as we're learning about keyframes, so we can build kind of some more of our own kinetic text projects. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the Type tool. You can choose your different type options. I'm just going to choose something here quickly. It really doesn't matter. This looks good. Choose a color. Fill and a stroke color can be selected. And I'm going to come over and I have to double click to get my text to come in. And I'm just going to use my name as my design item. Now, I guess, let's see, now my fill is showing up. I'm not really sure what I did to make it show up. So I want this to be my start point. So you can see this little node or mark right here is my start point. And right now, if I were to scrub or play through, there's no motion. At 5, I want it to be up here. And at 10, I want it to be back down here. Now, if I come back to the beginning and I hit play, we can see that that is what our text is doing. Now, if we wanted to add a rotation to that, we could. So I'm going to come back to the beginning. Actually, I'm going to go to this keyframe. So if I click right on the keyframe, it'll take me there. And I am going to rotate my text so it is upside down. And I held the Shift key down so it went straight to 180 degrees. So now as it plays through, it is going to rotate. And because I left this one at a rotation of 0, it rotated itself back. So again, this is all I want you guys to do. I want to make sure the software is working on your Chromebooks and that we will be able to work with this software. You are welcome to explore it more, but that's all that you really have to do for this particular lesson. Now you will be turning something in, so hang tight. I want you to then go to download, and we are going to download this as a video file. We're just going to do standard definition. That way it renders quicker for you. We're going to hit continue. I thought I could render without upgrading. We're not upgrading. Okie dokie. Let's see what my other... Oh, let's see if I share it. Where is it going to share to? No, we don't want that. Let's try download again. Okay, let's see. If it'll let us do a GIF, that's doable. I'm not sure what it's doing right now. Okay, so I'm going to pause my recording. I'll figure the share out and I'll be right back. Okay, so the process isn't the most straightforward, but it's not hard and it will work. So we are going to choose share. We are going to choose embedded, continue, and then you need to choose clip the URL, and then take this particular address and copy it. And then I will put a Google slide or a Google link, or a Google Doc that you can put your link in. I will put that right back into the assignment. So then I will be able to click on your link and it will work. So good luck and have fun. Make sure you email if you have any questions. Have a good one. Bye-bye.